Hey, thanks for the suggestion. I'm going to link her channel below. What if I told you a tulip doesn't always start with a circle? Today's flower bouquet begins with a triangle, and I'm going to show you how to do it in 7 fun, simple steps. For your first step, you're starting with a large triangle. That's your stage for the tulip bouquet. Step 2. You're going to create circles, or they can be ovals, at the top of the triangle for each bloom. These are tulip guides. It doesn't have to be perfect. Step 3. Draw long curvy lines from each oval down to the triangle's bottom corner. Step 4. Create your petal shapes using almonds, half circles, and wiggly lines. Remember, no perfection over here. Keep it free and fluid. For this sketch, I use H, 2H, B, and 6B pencils. Also, from time to time, I had to pull out my sharpener, and I use multimedia paper. Using those pencils and this step-by-step process lets us go from line to shape to flower. Do you see that in the upper right hand corner? That's my beginner-friendly floral drawing series. When you get a chance, check it out. You may see one of your favorite flowers. And what's more, I have a new series, Colors in Bloom. I'm really excited about these videos because I'm taking your suggestions. Let me know what colors I should pick for each flower in the comments below. Step 5. Let's shape the stem and leaves of this bouquet. For this stem, all you're doing is following your original guideline. And for the leaves, you just need to make sure that the lines connect at the top and flow downward. I'll show you a lot of different options. Step 6, one of my favorite parts. This is where you get to add detail, be creative and playful. For this section, I used the B and 6B pencil. My high school art teacher would say to let shading tell the story. I'll admit it's been a while since I shaded with confidence, so I might be rusty. That's okay. If at first you don't succeed, try again. So while I'm shading, this video would not be complete without a little bit of symbolism. Imagine how this bouquet could look. Of course, I could do red for true love, but maybe I can have some blue or green undertones. I could do yellow for cheerful thoughts. I can do orange, or I can blend red, yellow, and orange all together in one petal. Let's see what else. You could do purple for royalty. I like that. Or for forgiveness and purity, I could do white. Doing white would be a huge challenge. I don't know if I'm ready for that. Now here's your moment. Sit back, relax, and let the music guide you. Sketch your own garden or bouquet alongside me, one gentle stroke at a time. Step 7, the final step. Simply erase all your guidelines. They're not mistakes, they're just roadmaps. Once that's cleaned up, stand back and let your bouquet bloom. If you love this easy step-by-step tutorial, let me know and I'll keep them coming. That's a wrap. I'm gonna go and get back to the drawing board.